Yo, what's going on today, guys? Royce here. Today I have a full goon video for you guys today. That is right, finally a snowmobile goon video. Should be hilarious, should be fun. If you guys like to watch these type of videos, leave it down in the comment section. I'll make sure I film more. I'm leaving for Revelstoke, Canada today, and actually in about an hour, so I'm going to film such great content up there. So this is gonna be a blast. Hope you guys will enjoy all this. Let's see you guys there.
In these parts.
So Robert, what happened here?
Ditch banging.
Ditch banging?
Yeah. Never been on a snow machine in my life, so first time, you know. Brought the old Phaser 2 out. It's pretty good. She's a runner. She's a runner.
All right,
Yeah.
send it. You got Connor over here. He's buried too. No! No! Give her the beans! Hey, that was super sick, dude. Are you sponsored by Yamaha?
Yeah, I busted the Phaser 2 out just because these pros are just underpowered. I had to bring the mod sled out today.
Is your sled on fire?
I hope so. Thing's insured for $55,000. That's what I got into it. You just fucking flopper. Fuck, EFIs will start right up. 2018.
That's an 18. Is that the snow check?
Yeah, snow check. That's why I got the custom steel suspension, because I don't like any of that play shit.
I like your carbide guards.
Carbides are by Industrial Steel. Stole them off a railroad track this morning because I knew I was going ripping.
Where are the railroad ties from?
Huh?
Did you get railroad ties with them too?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
So yeah, it's my sled deck.
Oh.
Yeah, on my Geo Tracker.
Yeah.
Connor, what do you got done to this thing?
You know, this is a Mountain Light 500. We got VP Racing Fuels sponsor right here. Climb, HMK, and Power Mad.
All right, let's get to the good stuff.
Motor. Let's see this.
Is that aftermarket?
Dude, sometimes when you get hungry, you just get the munchies, throw some snacks in there. Have some fun, man. So, we got the Yamaha 500, running it. Always got to carry your extra starting fluid, just in... Oh. Hey! We're screwed, we lost the starting fluid.
I need help.
What are you talking about? It's a phase and tase.
My reverse gear went out.
Was that back in 1990 when you bought it?
Hey, it's a 2008 Jeep. This is the sled of the future. Seriously, I need some fucking help.
So, what kind of sled you got there?
This ain't no axis because you don't need that. Nice, sturdy, professional RMK, Rocky Mountain King, because I like to bang off rocks and get stuck all the time.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty sick. I wish I had some clips of me getting stuck, but usually I'm too burnt out to get out my phone. So,
Yeah, we just make everyone else walk up.
yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get stuck again, boys. Here we go.
Oh no!
Starting fluid.
That was so sick.
Hey Connor, you're gonna wear a helmet for this one?
Well, I gotta go get Bobby unstuck really quick. We
Oh.
might come back for the helmet, we'll see.
Oh, what line are you gonna take down there?
I don't think I'm gonna boot off that, dude.
I don't think I'm gonna boot off that, dude.
results on that one. Hey, so you know how he said he was too burnt out to be stuck? Yeah, well, he's... Because the phaser and the mountain light are definitely not going down there.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys did. If you guys like to see more videos, like always, leave it down in the comment section. Tell me if you guys are excited for my trip to Revelstoke, and peace out.